Hey, you guys, I am back with another video, and today I am talking all about my hauls, things that I've purchased recently. And so listen, before we get started, I am Latersa, and this channel is all about self-care, lifestyle, life advice, and hygiene, just a little bit of everything. So if any of those feel like something that would intrigue your minds, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications so that you will not miss another episode. So let's jump right into it. So I've been shopping. Y'all know I do my bi-weekly shopping and all that good stuff. Y'all know how I go. If y'all a mom out there, y'all comment below. Blow this comment section up if y'all a mom and y'all know what I'm talking about. But I think I'm going to start off with Dollar Tree. It's the smallest bag. My baby girl wants to make popsicles, so we saw these at the Dollar Tree and we got those. Of course, we got her some more of these little nasty cookies. Well, she loves them. And I needed some more Dial Sensitive Dove soap, so I got that. Let me get my receipt so that I can scan that. So I got through with that. Then I went to Walmart and did a little grocery shopping, and then I had to do stuff for household as well. So I got, and y'all can see I've already used it. Y'all know I be using my stuff. I had to clean my bathroom up, so I did. I got Mr. Clean, which is really good. It kills 99% of bacteria. Y'all know I love that. I was looking for Spick and Span, but they didn't have that at Walmart. And I got the Lysol Hygienic toilet cleaners. Y'all know I always rave about these. I got the lemon scent this time. Last time I got the turquoise one, but got these to restock on these. And then, of course, you know I couldn't leave out the store without getting some hygiene stuff. So I got Dr. Teals, which is the shea butter and almond oil with essential oils. I got this one, and it smells amazing. I can't wait to use this in the shower. And y'all comment below. It's this app that's called Suka. I'm gonna put it on the screen here for you guys, but it allows you to scan your household goods and your beauty products. So you know, I was all up in the store scanning yesterday. I was really disappointed because a lot of my favorites was on the poor list. Like, it wasn't good for you, had wrong kind of chemical ingredients in it. Y'all, I was a little depressed yesterday when I came home, but some of the stuff that I got from TJ Maxx and Ulta, it was on the good list, because I was like, some of these chemicals they be putting in these body products, they banned in other countries, but the United States have them over here. What is the United States trying to do? Y'all comment below if y'all heard about this Suka app, because I've been scanning the last 3 days. Me and my baby girl was in the store just scanning all types of stuff. Like, y'all know Jason's, the body wash, rose water, the one I always rave about? It was on the poor list. I'm going to put it up here so y'all can see. And y'all download the app and make sure y'all checking your stuff that you're eating in your house. It just makes you depressed. But you know, I want to live my best life, but it's like, God dog. But anyway, so I got this, and y'all stay tuned for my I told you guys I was gonna be doing some layering combos for you guys. So this is one of the ones that I'm gonna be using. This is soft soap. Y'all know I love soft soap. This is red berries and hibiscus scent. When I tell y'all, it smells so good. I can't wait to mix this. And then I wanted to try out Taraji P. Henson, the body cleanser. Ylang and Santo, I think I'm saying that. The wind down. I don't even know if I'm opening this right. I was trying to do it in the store. But anyway, it doesn't really have like a smell to it, but I'm gonna try it out and see how I like it, and I'll keep you guys posted on this. But look, check out your local Walmart. They had one with vanilla in it, but it was oil. It wasn't body shower gel, so I didn't get that one. But that's what I got from Walmart. And then Ulta, believe it or not, you guys, this was one that was on the good list. So okay. Yeah. Okay, so just bear with me. My Clean and Clear, the Johnson & Johnson, the original brand, that's on the good list. But the off brand that I was getting from like Kroger's or Walmart, it's on the bed list. So when I looked up, they give you, and the thing about the app, they give you suggestions. So I got this one because this was on the app as one of the recommendations for good cleansers for oily combination skin. Roche. I've been wanting to try this for a while, but I've used it last night and this morning. So far, I like it, but I'll keep you guys posted on how I continue to like it. And then, you know, we got to have our sunscreens, ladies. So I got the Black Girl Sunscreen Moisturizing Sunscreen Lotion for face and body. Is 30 SPF 30. So been putting that on because y'all know I want to take care of my skin. I want to be here a long time, you guys. So got my receipt. And then, of course, while I was in there, I had to get me something else for my hair because that Shea Moisture just wasn't doing for me. So I went back and got Tracy Ellis, the pattern, the hydration shampoo, the hydration mist, and the conditioner. And y'all know, if y'all go back a couple of videos when I did product reviews, this was on my top list of repurchase. We'll be getting that. So I love this. It makes my curls, y'all look at this. It makes my curls just pop. I really like this. So we'll be repurchasing that. And then I went to TJ Maxx. I've just been all over the place. I'm trying to get my receipt so I can scan my receipt. So baby girl wanted this. It's heart piece crystals. Got that for her. I got some more black Jamaican castor oil for my hair to put in my hair because y'all know what I got to do is get me another silk bonnet because laying on just regular cotton pillowcases is taking my edges out. And y'all know I don't want my edges to go nowhere. So I got me some more castor oil for that. And then for the vitamin C, the one that I've been using, it was on the bad list. I'm like, what the hell? But this one was really good. It was on the good list with good products. So I got this, the Natural Chemist Vitamin C. I'm trying to get it so y'all can see. That's what it looks like. And I got this from TJ Maxx and it was only $6. So can't wait to use that. And then I needed some more toner. And believe it or not, the Witch Hazel one, the toner that I always use for years, I've been using, it's not good. So I got this one because it was like on the good list. The Alba Botanica Acne Deep Clean Astringent. So this is my toner that I'll be using for a while till I find another one. It says it's plant-based and cruelty-free. So this was $6 at TJ Maxx as well. And then the Sugar Scrub, believe it or not, the Unks, that brand was on the bad list. I'm like, what the hell? Anyway, Body Prescription was on the good list. So I got this one. This one is Lavender, Aloe, and Body Scrubs. It was $6. And it smells so good, you guys. And just look at the packaging. Let me see here. Look at the packaging, you guys. It's got little sunshines on it, little smiley faces. That's another reason why I picked it up, because I thought the packaging was just so super, super cute. All right, so I got that, and that was all that I got from TJ Maxx. And then I got a big order from Victoria's Secret, because I told y'all I'm going to be on the hunt for, I'm doing some combo scents for the summer. So y'all stay tuned for that. Oh my goodness. This one, y'all, when I tell y'all, it's taking me back to my college days, y'all. Hold on, let me just get it. They got it packaged up in here, I can tell you that. Good God. All right. Ooh. Oh, Lord. Bear with me, you guys. Alrighty. All right. So the first one that I got from Victoria's Secret is strawberries and champagne. When I tell y'all this stuff smells so good, I'm probably going to wear this today because I just got out the shower. When I tell y'all strawberries and champagne is taking me back to my college, this is all I wore. Strawberries and champagne was like my top scent. This is just bringing back so many memories, you guys. So y'all stay tuned on how I layer this in, how I do some combos with this. I cannot wait. And then y'all know my all-time favorites. Y'all know I love vanilla. So I got the spray, bare vanilla, and the lotion to go together. I know the perfect combination I'm going to do with that. And then, of course, I had to get me another Pure Seduction Shimmer. It smells so good, you guys. When I tell y'all this stuff smells, So that is my haul, you guys. Like I said, stay tuned for the combo layering scent videos because I will be breaking those out pretty soon. But I wanted to come on and give you guys. But y'all check out that Suka or Yuka app and start scanning stuff in your house because, girl, it was shocking to me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys. Make sure you comment below and let me know if you've tried any of these products I mentioned. Let me know what your thoughts are. Comment Sunny Squad with 2 sunshines and let me know you're part of the Sunny Squad. So listen, I love you guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me every week. And I'll see you on my next video. Mwah.